In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste text or slides in Google Slides. This is an essential skill for anyone working with presentations, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just looking to enhance your slides. Understanding how to efficiently move and duplicate content in Google Slides can save you a lot of time and effort, and it can make your presentations more dynamic and polished. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by simply typing Google Slides into your search bar and clicking on the first link. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account if you aren't already. This will give you access to all your saved presentations or allow you to start a new one. Assuming you have a presentation open, let's dive into the process of cutting text. Click on a text box within your slide to select it. Now head over to the top menu, click on Edit, and then select Cut from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X for Windows or Command+X for Mac. This action removes the selected text or object from the slide and places it onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now that you have your text or object cut and stored on your clipboard, let's move on to how you can paste it. Click on the slide where you wish to place the cut content. Navigate back up to the Edit menu, and this time, select Paste. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. Magically, your text or object appears exactly where you want it on your current slide. Copying is quite similar to cutting, but rather than moving the text, you're duplicating it. To copy a text box or object, simply click to select it, then navigate to the Edit menu and click on Copy. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac. This action duplicates the selected content onto your clipboard without removing it from its original location. To paste the copied content, follow the same steps as for pasting after cutting. Select where you want the content to appear and either go to the Edit menu and click Paste or use the keyboard shortcut. If you want to copy or move an entire slide, it's just as simple. In the left-hand panel, where your slides are displayed in order, click to highlight the slide you want to copy or move. Use the same copy or cut commands as before. Then, click between the slides where you want the new or moved slide to appear and use the Paste command. And there you go. You're now ready to cut, copy, and paste text or slides with ease in Google Slides. This foundational skill will not only make you more efficient in creating your presentations, but also help you present your ideas more clearly. Happy presenting!